Hi and hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will do surface area and volumes. So here chapter 13 of class 9 exercise 13.1. In this exercise first question is a plastic box 1.5 meter long and 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box and the cost of the sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupee 20. So this box where all sides, it means length, breadth and height are different. These sides are different. It means this is a cuboidal shape. When all sides are same, then that shape is like your cube, like your dice, like your Rubik which you play. And this cuboidal, it means it is like a room or like a duster or like your toothpaste boxes which you are using generally in your life. So where all sides are different, it means that is cuboidal. So now this plastic box, this is opened at the top. ये ऊपर से खुला हुआ, it means there is no top. It means here you need to find out only area of lateral surface area. Lateral surface area mean the walls of the room, like wall of the rooms. It means surrounded area and top. So area of the cuboidal box equal to 2h into L plus B plus LB. 2h into L plus B, that is the lateral surface area. It means area of walls. You can think about this. Now plus LB, this is the length into breadth. This is the same like your base where length and breadth. So put the values here. Now after that you will find out area of the cuboidal box, that is 5.45 meter square. Now you need to find out the cost of the sheet for it. It means if you are using sheet of plastic, then cost of that is rupee 20 per meter square. So we will multiply this rupee 20 rate by the area of this cuboidal box. So the cost of sheet equal to area of sheet into rate of sheet. So area of sheet is the area of this cuboidal box. 5.45 into 20, that is rupee 109. So the area of the cuboidal box is 5.45 meters square and cost of the sheet is rupee 109. Now in the next question, question number 2. The land breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. This question same as we did last. There were plastic box, but this is a room where sides are 5, 4 and 3 meter. So whitewash generally we do on the walls of room and ceiling of the room. So here also we need to find out area of lateral surface area. It means 2h into L plus B plus LB. It means this is the top. In the last question their top was open, but we find area of the base. Now here we need to find out area of wall plus area of ceiling. So now put the value here. 2 into 3, close the bracket, 5 plus 4 plus 5 into 4. After addition and multiplication we find 74 meter square is the area of walls and the ceiling of the room. Now cost of whitewash. Cost of whitewash means area of the wall and the ceiling of the room multiply by the rate of whitewashing. So 74 into 7.50, that is equal to rupee 555. So the cost of whitewashing is rupee 555. Now in the next question, question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupee 10 per meter square is rupee 15,000, find the height of the wall. here perimeter of the rectangular hall's floor, this is given, यानी उस रूम का जो फ्लोर है उसको उसका इसमें हमने पेरीमीटर दे रखा है. इट मीन फ्लोर रेक्टेंगुलर शेप and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 250 meter. This is given. Now cost of painting of the four wall at the rate of rupee 10 per meter square is 15,000, means rate is given and the total cost is given. So it means here we will get the area of wall. Now area of wall, it means lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is equals to 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B. Now remove here h. So what remain? 2 into L plus B. Now 2 into L plus B, it means it is perimeter. और वो perimeter आपको यहाँ पर दे रखा है, that is 250 meter. So put value of cost of painting, that is 15,000. Area of the four wall 2h into L plus B, where L 2 into L plus B equal to 250. So and rate of painting is 10. So here 15,000 equal to h into 250 into 10. So we can find out h. H means height of that room equals to 15,000 upon 250 into 10 equals to 6 meter. So height of the room is 6 meter. Now in the question number 4, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? C. Total surface area of brick where it is shape of cuboidal shape, because length, breadth and height are different. As you see, bricks in the shape of cuboid, so we need to paint that brick. Now how many bricks can be painted by the paint which is in this container? So first of all, find the area of this brick, that is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Put the values. So we find the area of a brick, that is 937.5 centimeter square. Now paint in that container. By that paint you can paint area of 9.375 meter square. This unit is in the meter square, but here unit of brick is in centimeter square. So we need to convert this into the same unit. So area covered by paint in the container is 9.375 meter square. Now meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So whenever you are changing the unit of area, then you need to multiply 2 times or you need to divide 2 times by that unit. Like 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, it means here you will multiply 100 2 times, because 1 meter equal to 100 meter square, it means 100 square. So it is 9.375 into 10,000, 93,750 centimeter square. This much area can be painted by the paint which is in that container. In each and every container, whatever of the paint when you bought from the market, in out of side, out of the box, everywhere there is written on the box how much area can be painted by that paint. So now number of bricks can be painted. It means area covered by paint in that container divided by total surface area of a brick, So 93,750 upon 937.5, that is equal to 100. So we can paint 100 bricks. Now in the next question, question number 5. A cubical box has age 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Lateral surface area of cubical box. Lateral, it means four walls of that cubical box. Four wall mean four faces. Four faces surrounding. It means 4 into s square. That is the lateral surface area of cubical box. 4 into 10 square equal to 400 centimeter square. Now lateral surface area of cuboidal. Now it is 2h into L plus B, 2 into 8, close the bracket, 12.5 plus 10 equal to 360 centimeter square. So cubical box 400 and cuboidal box 360. Area of cubical box is more than cuboidal box. So first, after finding the area, this is 400 minus 360 equal to 40 centimeter square. So difference of the area is 40 centimeter square. Therefore, lateral surface area of cubical box is greater than cuboidal box by 40 centimeter square. Now in the next, total surface area of cubical box 6s square, that is equal to 600 centimeter square. Now total surface area of cuboidal 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, put the values, then you will get 610 centimeter square area of cuboidal box and 600 centimeter square of cubical box. Find the difference. 610 minus 600, that is equal to 10 centimeter square. It means cubical box is less than cuboidal box by 10 centimeter square. It means area of cubical box is less by the cuboidal box and it is by 10 centimeter square. Now move on to question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass and how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? It means this is a cuboidal box. It is a closed where lateral surface area and top and bottom, it means total surface area of the cuboidal box 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Put the values. After that we find the area 4250 centimeters square. Now how much of tape is needed? Mean when you will put all sides together, then you need to tape it. Now see, total age total edges in the glass pens equal to 12 because length that age is 4 time, length age that is 4 time, and then breadth that age also 4 time, then height that age is also 4 times. It means 4 into length plus 4 into breadth plus 4 into h, that is 4 into L plus B plus h equals to 4 into 30 plus 25 plus 25 equal to 4 into 80 and after that equal to 320 centimeter. So total surface area of glass is 4250 centimeter square and length of tape is 320 centimeter. Now move on to question number 7, in which Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two size of boxes were required, the bigger of dimension 25 by 20 by 5 centimeter and the smaller of dimension 15 by 12 into 5 centimeter for all the laps. When I think everyone has seen sweet boxes, one is smaller, one is bigger. When shopkeeper want to pack around 1 or 2 kg, he use bigger boxes. Whenever he want to give you around 250 grams sweets, so he is using small box. Now in each and every box there is one covered surrounding that, so extra of that is here given 5%. So the for all the overlaps 5% of the total surface area is required extra. It means that area required extra. आप बॉक्स देखते हैं उसमें चारों तरफ से एक कवर आता है, इसमें ऊपर से उसको कवर हो जाता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो एक्स्ट्रा एरिया. इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड इज रुपी 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So first of all, total surface area of bigger box. Very simple. This is a cuboidal shape. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, that is equals to 1450 centimeter square. Now 5% extra of this, it means 5% extra of 1450. 5 into 1450 upon 100 equals to 72.5. It means we will make the sum of 1450 plus 72.5, that much area required for a bigger box. तो हमारे पास bigger box का आ गया area. Now smaller box similar to this, that is also cuboidal shape, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and then we find it 630 centimeter square. Now extra 5% of 630, 5 into 630 upon 100 equals to 31.5 centimeter square. So again we will add 630 plus 31.5, 661.5 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the smaller box. Now see, we will add total surface area of 250 boxes of each. It means total surface area of bigger box plus smaller box. So this is for one box each of bigger as well as smaller. Multiply by the 250 because we need 250 boxes. So 250 into 2184 equals to here 5,46,000 centimeter square. This is the area of the cardboard. Now rate of the cardboard is rupee 4 for 1000 centimeter square. It means per 1000 centimeter square. So we will divide by 1000, then multiply by 4. That is equal to 546 into 4, 2184. So therefore cost of cardboard is rupee 2184. Now last question, question number 8, in which Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that cover all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimension 4 by 3 meter? See, shade, like you are making one shelter in your I mean to say in forest हम shelter लगाते हैं वहाँ पे. अब same like that we are covering all four walls and the top, not the base, because base is open. Like in the first question we did that there was top open. In second question there was we were covering top but not the base. So in this question, total surface area of the shelter, lateral surface area plus top surface area. So that is 2h into L plus B plus LB. After putting value, we find it 47 meter square. So 47 meter square tarpaulin required to make the shelter. So thank you very much everyone for watching this channel. So if you liked it, then like it and share to others.